Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix the problem of briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Try again in a minute. So look, this is not a problem, but if it's your first time to see this, you might get shaky. I would like to say that if you're using WordPress, we're gonna fix this. If you're using Joomla, Drupal, and you know these management systems, they do what the CMS, they do what they are the same. You might find like this. I've experienced this only in WordPress, but you might find in Joomla is there, in also Drupal is there, in other platforms. So I want you to know that the way we're gonna fix this in WordPress, it's not the same way. It might be the same way you can do that in other platforms. So this doesn't mean that okay, I wanted to say that this is not something we have to fix. This is it's not, you can't fix it. I'm gonna show you so that you don't panic. Sometimes it can take longer than a minute, sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes. It depends on what you did or what you've been doing. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show the website which was having a problem. Look at the URL. You see this URL? I'm leaving this just to show you that it's from the same URL. I'm going to visit co.za, then you press enter. Oh no, not that. It's gonna be google.co.za. Yes, let's wait for the website to load properly. You can notice that everything is working perfect on this website, but here before but the thing is a little bit okay, it's perfectly working. So what we're gonna say, what I want to show you that you can see here, this is the same URL. So you can see I was logged in here. So this simply means what I did this to happen is let me do the same thing. Okay, also here it's loading. What I did, let me go to this one, dashboard. I'm looking for a dashboard. Yeah, I'm clicking it. So thing is a little bit slow. Be patient with me. I want to show you what triggered the error. Okay, you can see here I'm gonna close this one. We don't get confused. You can see here there are 9 updates I need to do. So when I click there, please bear patient with me because I'm going the website is a bit slow. When I click on updates, you can say update the version of an update version of WordPress is there. So let's update our WordPress. Okay, I'm updating. Let me try to visit it here. you see this is what happens. So when you're updating some plugins or you're updating WordPress itself, it takes this, it brings up this message. So it means you can't access the website up until when it's done. So the first time to do this, it happens when you're updating the your plugins, or when you're updating your actual WordPress. So let's wait and see if it went after when it's done, then we see what it's gonna do. Okay, now it says that speed search and all everything here. It says WordPress 5. What is updated. So it simply means we're done with that. Let's see. It says one plugin here. Click on plugins. Click on plugins, and we find this plugin. We're updating it. When we try to visit the website, still it gives us this message because it's what? Still updating here. You see the updates are done. Let's try to visit the website again. You see when the updates are done, when you click on the website and try to visit it, everything is loading well. Actually, that's not an error. So whenever you see that, just know that your WordPress in the background is trying to update something. Maybe plugins, maybe their themes, maybe WordPress itself. So now we've seen that we've tested two things. We did update our WordPress and it gave us that message, and also we came here and we updated this plugin for email subscribers. Also it gave us that thing. So now you can see there's nothing to update, everything is okay. But then after when everything is okay, then that message disappears. Let me see this. I'm trying to show you each and everything which could trigger that message. The first time to see it, I was so worried about that. I thought maybe something big or major has happened on my website, but that wasn't the case. So this, if it's your first time, don't get scared. So don't get worried. You don't need to fix anything. You just have to wait for your WordPress to finish what it's doing. Seeing this is just a notification, it's not an update or whatever. Let's go to themes and see what's going on in there. Click on themes. I want us to update one theme here and see what's going to happen also. I'm waiting for this to update here. So this is the current theme we're using. So we're going to update the theme. In the process of updating, let's try to visit here. You can see it happens the third time. You can see if you're updating the theme, the message comes. If you update the plugins, the message comes. If you update WordPress itself, the message comes. So we're done with updating the theme. Let's visit and see. You see, you can see that the theme is updated, and we don't have any stress in visiting our website. I made sure, I thought I showed 3 steps on why that happens. So guys, don't get stressed if you see the same message on your WordPress. The only thing you have to do is to wait, and it finishes what it's doing, then it's gonna be fine. Yeah guys, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. I hope that video was so helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching.